Let's take a look at everything we're harvesting on the flower farm right now in early spring in Oregon in Zone 8B. Eucalyptus is a crop we grow in abundance, and we have many different varieties. Some are trees, others are more shrub-like. This right here I call our eucalyptus forest. It's a great place to get some shade. We harvest eucalyptus from the fall until the early spring. So right now is about the time we're going to stop cutting on it and let it grow back out. Daffodils are one of the first flowers we have blooming of the year, so it's always so exciting when they start opening up. This bed we planted this year, so we're not harvesting any of the flowers. This way the bulbs can root well and gain lots of energy and strength. Ranunculus is another one of the first flowers of the spring. They're blooming in our greenhouses right now, and their bright colors bring so much happiness to this time of grayness that we're coming out of. Sweet peas are another crop that just started flowering, so we actually aren't harvesting them yet, but I was so excited when I saw that we have a few flowers already. And their fragrance is absolutely amazing. Quince is another shrub we grow. This is a really pretty peach color, and we have several other colors. They have already all opened up, but the bees and the hummingbirds love to visit these flowers. Finally, we have flowering currant. One of my favorite things about this crop is it's also a native here in Oregon. Yay!